Now, if you ever uploaded a YouTube video and got slapped with a copyright strike on your background music, this video is going to change everything for you. I'm going to show you the exact AI prompt I use to generate professional copyright-safe music for every single video I make. And I do it under 2 minutes, no music skill, no paid subscription to stock libraries, no stress, and the best part is the tool is so easy to use. And I want you to stay tuned because at the end, I'm going to actually give you the master prompt I wrote that you can actually copy paste, and it works for any YouTube niche, any mood, and also any video lens. Now, let me tell you what I used, or maybe what used to happen to me. I'll finish editing a YouTube video. I'm talking about hours of work, and then spend another 45 minutes just searching for background music that didn't sound like a bad ringtone from 208. Now, and then even when I found something decent, I upload the video and boom, copyright claim, because 1,000 or maybe 10,000 other creators were using the exact same track. Your video gets demonetized or maybe blocked in certain countries, or the ad revenue goes to the music owner, not you. And this is happening to so many creators that I have seen, and I was seeing on YouTube forums and Facebook groups. People asking, what music can I even use anymore? The problem is real, but the solution is actually really simple now, thanks to AI and also thanks to actually music free tools that I want to show you. So here's what I discovered. There is a tool called MusicCreator AI, and you are actually looking at it on my workspace right now. I have 20 songs already generated here. All of them are original. All of them are actually copyright free, and every single one was created using a specific type of prompt that I'm going to be actually teaching you today. The key insight that most people miss, it's not just about using an AI music tool. It is about knowing how to prompt it. The style field is where the magic happens. And 99% of creators just leave it blank or maybe type one word like lofi. That's why the music sounds generic. Now, alright. Let me walk you through exactly how I do this. I'm going to create a track live right now for a video about AI side hustle. That is the kind of content I'm on right now on my channel. So my video is more motivational, targeted at women who want to earn online, and it needs to feel warm, focused, and also little exciting. Now, here's the prompt that I'm gonna use, or maybe the prompt structure I use. I call it the 5-part style formula. It goes like this: the mode, genre, instrumentation, energy level, and user case. Let me type it out. Now I'm gonna type this, and as you can see, warm, upbeat, lo-fi background music, soft piano with gentle percussion. Some words are actually hard to read, but I'm gonna just use because it is a prompt. And then acoustic guitar texture, medium energy, calm but motivating, no sudden drops, designed for YouTube voiceover music, sits under the voice without competing, female empowerment, entrepreneurship energy. Now I hit generate. It's going to give me 2 variations. I have almost more credits for that, so I can do this a lot and a lot. Let's see what it actually comes out. Do you hear that? It is warm, it is focused, it doesn't take over. That's exactly what a YouTube voiceover track needs to sound like. That no jarring drops, no weird transition, just clean, consistent energy. Now let me show you another example, different niche. Say you are making meditation or maybe wellness video, same formula, different input. Let's say, or maybe let's use this prompt: soft ethereal ambient music, flowing synthesizer pads with nature texture, light rain, distant birds, very low energy, almost hill, designed for meditation or study, studio, or maybe study YouTube content. No beats, no rhythm changes, pure atmosphere. Now this is completely different feel, same tool, same process, different prompts, and this is why the prompt is everything, and also the tool is a must-have. And if we can go on, if I want to do, let's say, one more for an Afrocentric lifestyle or maybe travel channel, this one is a personal favorite to generate. Let's talk, or maybe let's use this prompt. I'm gonna read the prompt: Afrobeats inspired background instrumental, gentle choral plucks, soft talking drum, warm bass groove, medium low energy, cultural grounded, for lifestyle YouTube content celebrating African or maybe expat living, no vocals. Now this is the kind of music, or maybe if you listen to it, this is the kind of music I use for my own channel at Kenya Mompreneur, where I document building a digital business as an expert in Turkey, and every track I use was made with prompts exactly like this. Now let's say, for instance, you don't want to use, or maybe you don't want just maybe to use a prompt. There is still this element of actually whereby you can actually have your own lyrics. For instance, if you have your own lyrics, and then we want to make maybe we want to create a video, a video about side hustles, and you want to use your own lyrics. What you're gonna do, you're gonna insert your lyrics here. I'm not going to read all the lyrics or maybe all the lyrics of this, but you're gonna insert your lyrics here. For me, it is something to do with side hustle and also for mompreneurs. And then I'm gonna insert my style, and then I'm gonna give it my title for the music. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit generate the music, and as you can see, MusicCreator AI, this tool gonna generate the song. And just for you to listen, let's listen for it for 1 minute.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Woke up with a vision in my mind, built it with my hands, one day at a time. From Turkey to the world, I found my lane. Hey. Earning in dollars while I speak my name. Hey. They said wait, I said now. They said how, I showed how. I am the future I was waiting for. Digital dreams, I'm opening every door.
Guys, as you can see, that is the kind of vibes we are talking about, the kind that feel personalized, and also the kind of music that doesn't feel like it is generic, and things that people, or maybe the music that people will want to hear each and every time wherever they are on YouTube, or wherever they are doing their thing. Okay, this is this kind of music, maybe now it is something that I utilize on my YouTube channels that I just discovered, and I think it was worth sharing with you. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. I built a Master ChatGPT prompt that does all of this thinking for you. You tell it your video topic, your audience, your mood, and it generates the perfect MusicCreator AI style prompt, already formatted and ready to paste. Now watch this. I'm going to paste the prompt, fill in my video details, topic, how to start an Etsy shop, for instance, that is the topic with AI, audience, mompreneur, mood, encouraging and warm, length, I want something to do with 8 minutes, or maybe even 2, you choose. Okay, you can choose 3 or 2 depending, and then you're going to duplicate and hit send. Okay, now look at there. Look at this, 3 complete style prompts with BPM guidance, mood notes, and monetization safety rating. I take variation, copy it, and back to MusicCreator AI, paste it right into the styles field, and generate done. The link to this master prompt for free is in the description, as well as the tool that I'm using for music creation. It is on also the prompt that I'm gonna use, or maybe if you want to test the prompt depending on your niche, I'm gonna leave it on my Substack so that you can actually start utilizing it. No email required, just click and copy. Now, if you want to get deeper, I also created the AI music prompt vault. It is a digital product with 50 plus done for you style prompts already written for the most popular YouTube niches: side hustle, mompreneurs, lifestyle, meditation, AI tutorials, African and Afrocentric content, and much more. Plus a copyright safety checklist, 7 questions to ask before uploading any AI track, and a mode to prompt cheat sheet so you always know what words to use. It is in my Etsy shop, link is in my description, and you can get it. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, to share, and also like this video, because I share everything about building a digital income as an expert and a mom using AI. Zero gatekeeping, new videos every week. I'll see you next in my next video. Take care, and I'm gonna leave you with this song so that you can hear how amazing AI music creator AI is when it comes to actually generating such music.
I am the future I was waiting for. Digital dreams, I'm opening every door. Mama with a mission, watch me rise. Afro girl, global eyes. No camera needed, just my mind and tools. Building in silence, breaking all the rules. Etsy shop glowing, YouTube on the way. Planting seeds at midnight, harvest in the day. They said wait, I said no. They said how, I showed how. I am the future I was waiting for. Digital dreams, I'm opening every door. Mama with a mission, watch me rise. Afro girl, global eyes. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present. Every small step is worth it. This moment, this moment. Afro girl, global eyes. Watch me rise, watch me rise.